Now, viewers, as far as this case is concerned, we know Supreme Court had taken suo motu cognizance and CBI has filed an interim status report as well in this particular case. And the statements that were made in the Supreme Court, it suggested, as per CBI, that maybe crucial evidence has been lost. Because remember, CBI took over this case only 5 days after this incident took place. And Times now has accessed some crucial details on what has CBI found out so far in the investigation and where is this case really heading from here on. So here's what the CBI has found. This is what sources have told your channel. Sanjay Roy had injury marks during his arrest. This is what they found. He had injuries on the left cheek, abrasions on the left hand. Now, he had abrasions on his fingers and on the back of his thigh as well. And at the same time, Sanjay Roy's clothes and bike and helmet specifically have been recovered too. Now, CCTV footage of the route that was used by Sanjay Roy has also been recovered by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the probe so far. The rape accused Roy allegedly has confessed to his crime. Now, this is very, very important because initially reports were coming that he is not really giving clear answers, but now reportedly he has confessed to the crime. CBI is suspecting that the crime scene has been altered, something in a way, we got a hint of it during the Supreme Court hearing too. Now, CBI is trying to find out if tampering was intentional or not, because many questions are being raised about the vandalism that took place. Was that an attempt to hide something, to save somebody? Now, 3D imaging of emergency ward was done multiple times. This is what the CBI sources have told Times. Now, CBI is now going to conduct polygraph tests on 7 individuals. And these viewers include the key accused Sanjay Roy, the ex-principal Dr. Sandeep Ghosh as well, who even today is being questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation as we speak. CBI is also trying to, find out the real truth by carrying out the polygraph test. CBI feels that it is very, very crucial given the way things are at the moment. CBI is also trying to find out if the statements are tutored. Now, this is also very, very important. Is this the reason why that a number of times Dr. Sandeep Ghosh is being called to the CBI office for questioning? Let me now straight away go across to my colleague Sabyasachi as well, who is joining us for more on this. Sabyasachi, now the details that have emerged so far clearly suggest that, attempts are being made to find the truth, but polygraph test next becomes very, very important. And second important thing that we've learned is that the key accused Sanjay Roy has confessed. Does it mean that perhaps that theory that it was a gang rape, more people could be involved, has now been put to rest, has been dismissed by the Central Bureau of Investigation? What are you learning?
See, well, that's right. The main accused, Sanjay Roy, has confirmed to the CBI that he is involved in this crime. Now, as per the CBI investigation, the CBI has hinted that there has been lapses as far as the investigation, which was back then undertaken by the Kolkata police. At that particular time, there were severe lapses, and there has been attempts made to compromise the crime scene. Now, whether it is Sandeep Ghosh or whether it is the prime accused Sanjay Roy or the 6 other or the other colleagues who had the dinner with the victim at that particular night, their polygraph test becomes extremely crucial because there has been a lot of discrepancies as well as misleading statements coming from all of them. Now, as far as Sanjay Roy is concerned, the police has said that on the psychological analysis test that was done on him by the CBI sources tell us that he has an animal-like instinct and he does not have any sort of remorse. And also the CCTV footage coming into light clearly shows that the main accused Sanjay Roy had come inside the hospital several times, and in the wee hours of 9th is the time when he entered into the emergency ward, entered into the seminar hall where the crime took place. So clearly, all because of the discrepancies and misleading statements coming in from Sanjay Roy as well as Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the CBI wants to conduct the polygraph test as soon as possible because a lot of these statements that has been coming from the people who have been summoned by the CBI does not match with each other. See, several statements has come in, whether it is the doctors who have been protesting out here stated that before the police could reach the spot, there were a lot of people who had access to the seminar hall. So that also is one aspect which the CBI is looking forward, and that is the reason why the polygraph test becomes extremely crucial from the investigating point of view.